Hello and welcome to my channel. Gonna be doing another video today. Something I actually did a long time ago, but I did the video and I kept it, so I'm gonna put it on today. It's of a tiger, but you have to realize it's black and white. Tiger, the color in the tiger is all in the wood. I always have to remind people of that because they, I guess, forget. But anyway, it's a cool project. So let's get started. So this is what it looks like before we do the painting. All I did is put some water-based acrylic on there, and it looks stunning. I always do a stencil. Let's say I want to redo the whole painting. I can just put that stencil right back on there, and all the work is already done. So to do that, all I have to do is turn this over, and I'm going from right to left instead of left to right. See how that works? Awesome. All right, that's all you get for now. All right, thank you for watching, everyone. That concludes the video of the tiger. Hope you all have a great day. Like and subscribe.